This is Giving Opinions About Schools 9.1G. Here we go. Right, my favourite subject is geography. So, Lieblingsfach is favourite subject. So, Lieblings, that's just emphasises important structure. So, mein Lieblings, and then Fach, F-C-H, means subject. Ist. Now, Geography, meine Damen und Herren, is Erdkunde. Wir haben hier Erdkunde, meine Damen und Herren. So weil, so we've got a while situation coming up. Der Lehrer, so we've got der Lehrer. Now, is helpful. Okay, so the end of the clause is just going to go in front of and, so these two words need to swap over. So, ist and a helpful, you've got hilfsreich or hilfsbereit. Hilfsbereit is the one, prepared to help is this one we're going to use now. So, let's just swap these two over. Here we go. Right, like so. Und. And, therefore, deswegen. Now, we've had different therefores throughout this series. We've had deshalb, also, and the recordings I made today I've used all three. So, got deswegen, therefore. Now it's a sort of inversion situation. So I like becomes like I literally. So mag ich. So you go mag ich, like so. Now my school teacher, it's meinen if you're talking about a male school teacher, so it's Erdkunde Lehrer. Now hopefully it's all there. Not quite correct, given an extra E, didn't I? Right. Gone all over the place. Hey, it's actually disappeared. Right, sorry about that, ladies and gents. It's completely disappeared. No matter, we have one I did earlier, so have a good look at that. So, Erdkundelehrer. Erdkundelehrer ist das, meine Damen und Herren. Nummer 2. So, our teachers, unsere Lehrer sind. So, you got unsere Lehrer sind. Jawohl. So, sind zu streng, or too strict. Sie sind too strict, ladies and gents. So, streng is das. Get there in a minute. Unsere Lehrer sind zu streng und we are not allowed to use. Now, we are not allowed to use. So, is this wir dürfen? Okay, so wir dürfen, we may not use, we're not allowed to use. Okay, get that in a minute. Dürfen, so wir dürfen, which is we are allowed to. So it's we are not allowed to. We then have to turn that, we have to use this here. Now, use, come to that in a minute. Now it's not in front of a noun, or will be in front of a noun in a minute, so we're going to use kein, etc. So, it's plural, so it's keine. Now, mobile phones is Handys. Wie das, meine Damen und Herren. Okay, and now, to use is benutzen, and you're all probably wondering why on earth have I not dealt with it yet? There's no real reason yet. So you've got a modal verb situation here, wir dürfen. That's the second verb, and it's dictionary infinitive form, and that needs to go basically over here. Okay, at the end of the clause. So I'm going to cut that, bring that over here, and there we have it, like so. So in lessons, im Unterricht, set phrase for in lessons, im Unterricht, wie das, meine Damen und Herren. Und, I hope you didn't hear that, that was my stomach. And I think that is mean. I think they were trying to say. There you go. Yeah, still there. So, if we start off with, I'm going to use this structure here. Und das finde ich. You often hear that. So, das finde ich. That find I, literally. Das finde ich gemein. Get there. Yes. Got it. Have a good look. So remember, wir dürfen is a modal verb, like sollen and wollen and so on. Sends the second verb to the end. So, Dankeschön, 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 is one I did earlier. Right, moving on to number 3. Nummer 3, meine Damen und Herren. So, I like ICT. Let's deal with that first of all. Okay, so in fact it's the first clause is that bit. So if we use the gefallen, okay, alright, whatever you like is going to go in there, and then the gefallen bit is going to go here. Alright, now if it's plural, something more than one that you like, you're going to use that as such. If it's just one thing that you like, you're going to use gefällt. Okay, you need to put a numlaut over the A as well. So, literally pleases to me. So, gefällt mir. So, whatever pleases you will go in where those three dots are. In this case, it's going to be ICT. So, Informatik. Okay, let's just cut that. Bring that back here. Informatik. Gefällt mir. So, gefällt, gefallen. Here we go. Get that. So, gefällt mir. Wie das. Weil ich. Now, or want to. Let's just do that. Let's just get all the words that we need in place first. Weil ich will. So we've got weil here. So you know what we're going to have to put in question in a minute. So weil ich will lernen. Now programming is programmieren. So programmieren. So wie das. So sorting it out, ladies and gents. We all know that this. All the verbs are going to be at the end due to the weil, don't we? We know that, so it's there. But which verb goes to the end? It's the first verb. So we jump over this here, and I'm going to be crafty and put that there. There's a reason behind my thinking, because if I put it directly next to it, it will highlight it, underline it even. Right, it is es ist. It's got es ist. Definitely is unbedingt. Fantastic word. Look at it. Unbedingt. So unbedingt is definitely my favourite subject. Mein Lieblingsfach. So mein Lieblingsfach is my favourite subject. So have a good look at that, ladies and gents. That's one I did earlier. Just check against that I haven't taught you anything wrongly, so to speak. So to say. Right. I like learning foreign languages. So in German, you deal with the I learn bit, plus the verb first. So you go ich lerne, and like gern. Ich lerne gern. Okay? You could say it's just ich mag. I like. Ich mag Fremdsprachen oder sowas. So foreign languages. So Fremdsprachen wie das und. And we can choose. So we've got a modal verb situation here. So the second clause here. So wir können. So you go können. Now choose the German for that, which is wählen, is going to go to the end of the sentence or clause. So it's going to end up over here. So wählen. Here we have it. Like that. Okay, cut and paste it. And bring it. And just dump it down here for the time being. Okay, good. Right, Spanish. Okay, oder. I noticed my backup copy that you see me sometimes look at on my screen, my second computer screen there. I spelled Spanish wrong. So Französisch. So make sure I don't do it again. So Spanish oder Französisch wählen. Wählen meaning to choose, second verb, gone to the end of the sentence. So, in the future, in der Zukunft. So, Zukunft, wie das, meine Damen und Herren. Okay, so you start off with that time phrase there. You really want a verb to come next. I would like to learn Russian. So here we go. Möchte ich, so möchte, verb is the second idea. Möchte ich. Let's tidy up a bit. Also, auch. I just have to retrieve everything else for a second. There we go. Right, let's get rid of would like to. Now, lernen is to learn. That's going to end up at the end, obviously. Second verb over here. Got it. And then Russian is Russisch. Wie das, meine Damen und Herren. So, that's number 4. Have a good look. Just checking against that. I haven't taught you anything wrong. Right, number 5. I do not like history. Okay, now, we start off, we can either just say Ich mag Geschichte nicht or sowas. There's different ways of doing it. If you start off with Geschichte, as like, if in effect you're emphasizing that you don't like it, so you put it right at the beginning of the sentence. I strongly disagree with this because history was my favourite subject. Didn't want to do that. Hang on. Let's paste that properly. There we go. See the itchy notes. So Geschichte. Okay. Now remember, there's no do's and don'ts. So like I, literally, mag ich. So Geschichte mag ich nicht. All right. So now, so you got Geschichte mag ich nicht und wir sollen, we've got to. Wir sollen, we should, we've got to. So let's just get rid of that. So wir sollen immer do so much homework. So to do is machen, and that, because it's a modal verb situation, that verb is going to go to the end of the sentence in a minute. So viele Hausaufgaben. Okay, let's tidy it up, edit, cut, bring this down here, paste. And I've really got a really itchy nose. I don't want to scratch it. Right, and a really strong word here. Es ist mein Hassfach. Hate subject. Yes, Hassfach. Okay, totally disappeared. Let's have a look down a finished product. There we have it. All right. Okay, got different things. So the emphasis on history. That's why you got the word order like that. Got the modal verb right bang in the middle, and the structure. Hassfach is opposite of Lieblingsfach, obviously. Right. Number 6. Right. You have to wear. Let's use man for this. For one must. So man muss. Now wear is tragen, which we're going to move in a minute, because the second verb is a modal verb structure, as you can see, or modal verb based sentence, so to speak. Okay, eine, dunkel, grüne, so dunkelgrüne. Okay, so dunkelgrüne Uniform. Okay, tragen. So let's just put that over here. Put that there. There we have it. Und. Now, I do not like this colour at all. Okay, you want to emphasise it's the colour that you don't like. So that's going to end up at the beginning, if you like. So just put extra emphasis on it. So diese Farbe. So let's just get that here. Edit and cut that. Here we go. Und diese Farbe, and this colour. Don't want do's and don'ts. Mag ich, like I, literally. Mag ich nicht. I don't like. Now you want it to be even stronger than that. So at all, you've either got gar, okay, gar nicht. Sometimes you might see that, or überhaupt. Okay, überhaupt. Alright, which is this here. Now, überhaupt nicht is the set phrase. So it's in the wrong order at the moment. Let's just put that there. Überhaupt nicht. Man muss eine dunkelgrüne Uniform tragen. Und diese Farbe mag ich überhaupt nicht. And this colour I don't like at all. Überhaupt at all. Finished product there, ladies and gents. It's quite a short video, this one. Dankeschön. Tschüss. Things that you can have a look at or try out, you don't have to, and the rationale behind the making of these videos. Dankeschön und tschüss.